How to buy Osmosis Coin on TrustWallet. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Open your TrustWallet app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of TrustWallet, go ahead and tap on the button located at the top right-hand corner. Now, from the tokens list, you can go ahead and look for Osmosis or simply type in Osmosis in the search bar. Toggle the button right next to Osmosis and tap on Done at the top right. Once you add Osmosis on your main wallet, tap on it and then tap the Buy button. Now, enter the amount you're willing to spend to purchase Osmosis. Once you enter the amount, select the third-party provider from the list and then tap the Next button at the bottom of the page. Soon after you do that, you'll be redirected to the third-party service that allows you to buy OSMO with your preferred payment method. Select your payment method from the list and then tap the Buy Now button at the bottom of the screen and follow the prompts till the end, and you'll receive your OSMO in your TrustWallet shortly. So that was how you can easily buy Osmosis Coin on TrustWallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another video. Goodbye till then.